Well, even though gCADPlus has tools to pattern an area, the GroundCover tool, I think, produces a much cleaner looking design. Imagine that you had a GroundCover symbol, 1,000mm canopy diameter, and a 10 square metre area that you wanted to label with ground covers. What I've done here is I've taken this symbol and put them all down manually, and I've done that at 1,500mm centres. So if I measure from the centre of one to the other, you can see it's about 1,500. If you go to gCADPlus and GroundCover and say make a ground cover, we first ask to indicate the boundary. When you do, this pops up. So in our case here, we've got our area is millimetres. Our plant list, we'll just have to select the plant. This is the brachycomb multifeeder. So brachycomb multifeeder, there it is. It's plant 68 in this particular list. We need an abbreviation. You can choose whatever you like, but MU in caps will do, doesn't have to be. Plant spacing, 1,500, we just checked that. And the tool will put some sort of an indicator. Let's imagine it's the 6th ground cover area we're labelling. And so the botanical name, brachycomb multifeeder, this has been picked up from the GCP file, so we can say OK. The prompt then says input the first line of the leader. Now imagine what we're doing is indicating the area that we're going to apply a ground cover to. The height, let's type 200 for the height, and it's done the calculation for me. It's given me 44, whereas when I did it manually I got 49. So that's close enough, I think, for all purposes. So we're now asked to input the point number of the block. Where do we want that block to be? So we can say I want to put it over here, and I'm then asked to dynamically indicate. So I'll make it relatively large, and you can see what's happened. It's done a zone. Let's now get rid of the background of that. So we'll say the fill is off. And let's get rid of all the plant symbols that are in here. And we want to leave the label showing. And we want to get rid of this lot. So all the plant symbols are gone, and I'll make that a much darker colour for you. So there's our area, a 10 square metre area, and the label simply says Zone 6 will need 44 BRMU, which will come from the auto plant schedule when you run it. So we could now run gCADPlus, ground cover, draw the ground cover schedule, first point here, second point there, and there it goes, brachycomb multifeeder, cut leaf daisy in zone 2, and 44 are needed. So you can see that the ground cover tool's quite sophisticated. It helps you clean your drawing zone up and doesn't over dramatise masses of planting. One of the things that CAD can do is put lots of symbols down very quickly, but it swamps a design.